Let's take up objective questions on amines. First question, the strongest base among the following is? First option is aniline, second option is methylamine, third option is dimethylamine, fourth is trimethylamine. Correct answer is C part. Why? Although expected is D part, but D part is strongest base only in gaseous phase. In aqueous solution, strongest is dimethylamine. Trimethylamine is steric hindrance and lone pair of electron is less available for bond formation. That's why the secondary amines are most basic among these. Aniline is less basic because phenyl group is electron withdrawing. Next question, the correct order of basic nature of CH3NH2, dimethylamine, trimethylamine and ammonia. Most basic is secondary amine. Second most basic is methylamine. Methylamine is more basic than tertiary amine and ammonia is the least basic. So the correct option is C part. Secondary amine is more basic than primary. Primary is more basic than tertiary because tertiary has steric hindrance, and all the amines are more basic than ammonia because alkyl groups are electron releasing. So the correct answer is C part. Next question, which of the suggested tests can be used to differentiate the given compounds? Methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol cannot differentiate it with Lucas reagent test. Similarly, acetaldehyde and propanol cannot be differentiated by Tollens reagent test because both will give Tollens reagent. Primary and secondary amine can be distinguished by carbylamine test because primary amine will give carbylamine, offensive smelling compound with chloroform and KOH, whereas secondary amine will not react. Acetone and 2-butanone cannot be distinguished by Brady's reagent because both will react. So correct answer is C part. Which one of the following is least basic amine? Options are methylamine, ethylamine, diethylamine and aniline and benzylamine. Correct answer is D part because phenyl group is electron withdrawing. Therefore, decreases electron density on nitrogen. So least basic is aniline. Which of the following is secondary amine? 2-butanamine is a primary amine although NH2 group is attached to secondary carbon. N-methyl 2-pentanamine is secondary amine. Para-anisotine is a primary amine. N-methyl piperidine is also a primary amine. So correct answer is B part. When amine is heated with chloroform and alcoholic KOH, a bad order compound is formed. The compound is an alcohol, an aldehyde, a cyanide, an isocyanide. Correct answer is an isocyanide. This is also called carbylamine, which has offensive smelling compound. Which of the following is not an ambident nucleophile? ONO is an ambident nucleophile because it can link through oxygen as well as nitrogen. OCH3 is not an ambident nucleophile, it can link only through oxygen. Cyanide is an ambident nucleophile, it can link through carbon or nitrogen. Cyanate is also an ambident nucleophile, it can link through carbon or nitrogen. Correct answer is B part. OCH3 group is not an ambident nucleophile. Hinsberg reagent is benzene sulfonamide, benzene sulfonic acid, benzene sulfuryl chloride, benzene sulfonyl chloride. Correct answer is benzene sulfonyl chloride. It is C6H5SO2Cl. So D part is the correct answer. Which of the following compounds caused tragedy of Bhopal in 1984? Phosgene? No. Methyl isocyanate is the correct answer. Carbon monoxide? No. Methyl cyanate? No. B part is the correct answer. Next we have normal butylamine, diethylamine, N-diethylamine. They have same molar mass, increasing order of their boiling point. Third is less than second is less than first. Third is tertiary amine, which will have lowest boiling point. Second is secondary amine, which will have less boiling point than primary amine. Reason is primary amines can form hydrogen bond to maximum extent. Secondary amine to form less extent. Tertiary amines do not form hydrogen bond. That is why the tertiary amine have lowest boiling point, primary amine have highest boiling point. So the correct answer is A part. Next we have a nitrogenous compound is treated with HNO2 and the product formed is further treated with NaOH which produces blue coloration. The nitrogenous compound is. This is Lieberman's nitroso reaction which is given by secondary nitro compound. Secondary nitro compound, the hydrogen will be replaced by NO, and with NaOH it will give blue coloration. So correct answer is D part. It is Victor Mayer's test. Next question, how many primary amines are possible for the formula C4H11N? Correct answer is 4. One will be 1-butanamine, second is 2-butanamine, third is 2-methyl-1-propanamine, fourth is 2-methyl-2-propanamine. There will be 4 primary amines, 2 secondary amines, and 3 secondary amines and 1 tertiary amines. So total 8 isomers are possible for C4H11N. Primary amines will be 4. Next, comparing the basic strength of NH3, CH3NH2 and C6H5NH2, it may be concluded that basic strength remains unaffected. No. Basic strength of ammonia is highest. No. Basic strength of alkyl amine is lowest. No. Basic strength of aryl amine is lowest is the correct answer. Because aryl group or phenyl group is electron withdrawing, so it decreases electron density on nitrogen. Aniline is even less basic than ammonia. And primary amine or CH3NH2 is more basic than ammonia because methyl group is electron releasing, increases electron density on nitrogen. So here correct answer is D part. Which of the following is called carbylamine? RNC, RCONH2, RCN, RCH double bond NH. Correct answer is A part. It is called carbylamine or isocyanide. These are called amides. These are cyanide. These are called amines. A part is the correct answer. The correct order of the basicity of the following compound is, we have got various options. Here correct answer is B part. Why B part? First one is most basic because there are 2 nitrogen which have lone pair of electrons. And we have got electron releasing group also, which will increase electron density on nitrogen. Then we have the third means secondary amine, which has got maximum electron density after the first part on nitrogen due to electron withdrawing nature. Then comes second, ethylamine, where ethyl group is electron releasing and increases electron density on nitrogen. Fourth, that is amide, is least basic because CH3CO group is electron withdrawing. So it will decrease electron density on nitrogen. So the correct answer is B part. Which is most basic? C6H5NH2, diphenylamine, ethylamine, and diethylamine. Correct answer is D part. C2H5 twice NH is most basic. Secondary amines are more basic, but in aromatic secondary amine are less basic than aromatic primary amine. Reason being there are 2 phenyl groups which are electron withdrawing. So here least basic is diphenylamine, second least basic is aniline, most basic is diethylamine, and then C2H5NH2. So D is greater than C, C is greater than A is greater than B. That is the order. For this question, correct answer is D part. The correct order of basic strength of the following compounds, 4 compounds are given and we have to find out its basic strength. These are the options. C part is the correct answer. Why? Because first one is more basic because this nitrogen has lone pair, this nitrogen has lone pair. So maximum electron density on nitrogen, that's why this is most basic. Then comes para-toluidine. Why it is second most basic? Because methyl group is electron releasing, will increase electron density on nitrogen. After that is second aniline. Aniline is more basic than para-aminobenzonitrile because cyanide group is electron withdrawing. So this will decrease electron density on nitrogen. That's why it is least basic. So the correct answer is C part. In general, you will remember more the electron releasing group, more will be basic character. And if there are electron withdrawing group, that will reduce the basic character.